Them ugly picnic they not come out to nothing good. Them ugly like bat.
Huh? No, you can't say that about the children. Take time with the man.
Me no care them look like them ugly mama. Them people they too low class for me. Them father goat. She hate we just because the line space limited for clothes today. Today she don't like we no. I hope life get better soon, dear God. I don't care. Come out of here, you're ugly like goat. Ugly like goat. Come, girls. Food is ready. Come and eat up. Then it's time to read a book.
Coming, Mommy!
My sisters, we need to surprise Mommy.
Yes, me sister, me long to see Mommy. Make we go surprise her.
Me can't wait to see me mother.
Me sisters, me happy to see Uno. Let's go surprise Mommy.
Watch her. Me not like a born in the ugly woman.
Oh my God, me beautiful children is back.
Awa agwan over there. As ya the picnic them that way me say na come to nothing good. Really the picnic them that gets a big and nice boy the table really turn.